appreciate everybody coming here to help celebrate this wonderful occasion and finally get to celebrate this occasion, right?
gone better.
Did you do your part? You make any mistakes?
Oh, I don't think so.
So was it everything you thought it was going to be?
It was. It was beautiful. And it was a wedding. And it was beachy. And I loved it. And I thought Kelsey was beautiful.
Did you cry?
Not yet.
Not yet? Hold
I got a toast to go. I got a toast to give.
All
That
right.
one might get me.
Cool. What did you think? Was it awesome? Yeah. You were the flower girl?
Yeah.
What kind of flowers did you have?
Shells.
Shells instead of flowers. That's pretty neat. Hello.
Hello.
I was waiting for you to blow.
I know. I was like, do I do it? I'm not going to do it. It's over there. I couldn't do it.
What'd you think?
I thought you did really good.
Not me. I'm talking about the wedding.
I thought the wedding was really good.
Give me your strength and show me your weakness. We're in this together now. We're in this together now. Give me your love and tell me your secrets. 'Cause we're in this together now. Yeah, we're in this together now. I'll keep you safe, I'll give you my everything. Even if we're falling down, even if we're falling down, all of me is yours, every part of me. 'Cause we're in this together now. You and me together now.
My wife Kim. She's the one responsible for how great my daughters are and how great they are at picking minutes. From our family, I'd like to thank the entire Murphy and extended family. Thank you for letting us come to it. Like I said, we've spent years getting to know Jacob, and we could not be proud to have Jacob join our family and to have what we now consider an extended family. Thank you very much.